Hello friends, we will do an exercise today to make sure that you know the time scheme of all the 5 tenses that we have so far studied. Alright, so let's begin. You have got all kinds of sentences here. You have got simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, and also the past tense. Right, start here. So you can see the first 5 sentences, they have same verb. So you can see how according to the time, how the verb changes, or according to the tense, how the verb changes its form. Alright? So in April, people on pilgrimages. So that is a general statement. In April, people go, simple present. So in April, people go on pilgrimages. The reason is, it is a general statement or a simple fact. So in April, people go. Alright. Some people on pilgrimages these days. That means continuing, progressive. So some people are going. See that? Are going on pilgrimages these days. So they are going, continuous action. They already on pilgrimages. They have already, it is present perfect. They have already gone on pilgrimages. So they have come back after that. Many people going on pilgrimages lately. So actually they should not be here, no? Many people are lately. Lately means, you use, that's a clue. Recently, lately, that's a clue. What is the clue? That is present perfect continuous. So you have got many people have been going on pilgrimages lately. Now the verb changes. One more sentence here on go. They on a pilgrimage last year. Last year time, that is prior to speaking, past tense. So they went on a pilgrimage last year. They went on a pilgrimage last year. Understand? So you can see all the tenses here. In April, people go. That is a general statement. Some people are going. They have already gone. Many people have been going lately. They went on a pilgrimage last year. You have got that. You can see how the tense changes according to the time scheme. Is that clear? Next one. You have got 2 sentences with be, and one is question and the other is a statement. You ever to the Himalayas? Ever, never, clue. What is that? That is present perfect. So question and therefore have you ever been? Have you ever been? Past participle of be, been. Then never, same. I have never been to the Himalayas. That means till now, the point that at the time of speaking, that is negative completion or negative perfect. So you haven't done it. That's also perfect now. Yes. Next one is verb is meet. And then a clue already here, yesterday. That means did you meet him? Did you meet him yesterday? Did you meet him yesterday? And next line you have got last night. There is a clue. Simple past. Then you have got who told you. Tell who told you this story last night. And next one is you have see since 2018 clue. What is the clue? That is since 2018 from a particular point of time up to now. And that is at the time of speaking present perfect. So it's you can see no one has seen him since 2018. Next is for 10 years. A period of time, 10 years, for and since. The use of for and since in the symbol with the coupled with, or you can say with the present perfect tense. So you can say we know. So that is we have known him for 10 years. And the next one told, remember my son, truth always. A general fact, so simple person, truth always wins. So that is the additional. Yes. Next, God, that is a wish. So you can say that is present tense, a simple person. God save the king. God save the king. That is a prayer or a wish. God save the king. And then sometimes now you will ask me, why can't we say God saved the king? Yes, you can say. But then it is not a prayer. Then it is a fact, the past. Yes. It now means now, clue, present continuous. It is not working. So it is not working now. So it is not working. Not working. And the last sentence for today, never mind, help. This you. The verb is help. Never mind, this is helping you now. Never mind, this helps you. No. Yes? Never mind, this helps you. I can say, never mind, this helped you. Possible. Never mind, this helped you. But the best choice according to me is, never mind, this has helped you. This has helped you. This has helped. This has helped. Helped, H-E-L-P-E-D, helped you. This has helped you. So you have got all the reasons for this. First one is general statement. This happens every year. Some people are going, that is, these days means at the time of speaking, they have already gone, that means present perfect. Have been going lately, that is a clue for this present perfect continuous. Last year, simple past. Have you ever been? Ever. Ever. It is a clue for present perfect. I have never been, again, negative, present perfect. Did you meet him yesterday? Yesterday, that is past. Prior to speaking, a time that is given, specific time given in the past. And so it is present tense question, and therefore did you meet? Who told you? That is last night, that is simple past. No one has seen him since. Since, this is a very clear clue that you have to use the present perfect here or present perfect continuous. And then you have got a no, in 10 years, that's also a very clear clue that you must use. There is a period of time for since and for. The use of since and for. And now, remember when this wins, truth wins, the statement, universal fact, truth. God saved the king is a wish, and therefore it is simple person. If you want to say God saved the king yesterday, that also we can say, but the yesterday is not missing here, is missing here. It's not working now. Now, not work is negative. So you say it is not working now, because now is a clue for present continuous. Never mind, this has helped you. Means don't worry, this has helped you. Definitely this exercise will help you. No doubt about it. Alright, are you following? Are you enjoying these grammar classes? See, I have, in my posting, I have written like this, English made easy and pleasurable. I think that it gives you some pleasure when you do these things. Intellectual pleasure, yes. So, see you again with another dose of grammar tutorials next time. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.